Okie dokie. Ordering fractions, which is literally just writing them in ascending order or descending order. It just depends on what the question wants. Remember, ascending order, you ascend the stairs, you go up the stairs, so it's from smallest to biggest. Descending order, you descend the stairs, you go down, D for down, so the numbers are decreasing, biggest to smallest. I have a bit of a problem. 2 problems to be exact. My denominators are not the same, so trying to order these is not going to be very easy. And I have a mixed number. Okay, it's okay if you have a mixed number. It's not really the end of the world, but it is nice just to have them all the same. So I'm going to convert it to an improper fraction, then convert them so that they all have the same denominator at the bottom. Okay, before I do anything and change that guy, I need to find my LCD, which is your lowest common denominator. And I've got 3 different numbers to work with, which, fun. Okay, I got a 5, a 15, and a 3. Now, if I counted in 3s, and I counted in 5s, and I counted in 15, I would eventually, figure out that I can just turn them all into 15, which is great because then I don't have to change that one. So how do I change this into 15? You're going to times it by 3. This one I'm not going to change. It's already 15. This one I have to multiply by 5. And this one I have to multiply by 3. So let's do that. Okie dokie. 3 times 1 is 3. 5 times 3 is 15. This one's going to stay the same. Oh, look at that. We have 2 equivalent fractions. Then multiply by 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 5 is 15. And then here, let me just change it first. Then I'll convert it to improper. So keep the whole number. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. Again, I don't like this guy over here. So I am going to convert it very quickly. Remember how you do that? You take the bottom, times it by the whole number, which is 15. You add the top number, which is 21, and then the denominator stays the same. Now, let's say this question had asked me to put them in descending order, so biggest to smallest. That one's definitely the biggest. Then 10 over 15. Now, when you have 2 fractions that are equivalent, or